Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we have this old typing machine for our press. Let's see. I think we have to pull that one out of our press tool to check the damage. The press head punched hole straight to the typing machine, and I think we have to finish that off by pressing from this side also. Yeah, there is quite a lot of parts inside of this machine, but I think now it's quite well crushed. Yeah, this is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content we have this unicorn. It is crushed once already, but it reburned as this phoenix unicorn bird. It is quite strange animal, but nevertheless it is still extremely dangerous and may attack at any time, so we must deal with it.